All right, Alex, what are we doing today?
Yes.
Yes, you're finally transitioning from this big blue beast to
Another bigger car. Well, smaller.
another car. So what we're doing right now is Alex is taking off the wheels off of his big blue. So we have wheels for the new car we're gonna go pick up because he's buying it without wheels. And then we're gonna go on a 3-hour bonding trip. You ready?
Yeah. Shut your ass up. We drove 5 hours for coilovers for you, okay?
No, we drove all the way to LA for a 240 for him that we didn't even buy.
Oh yeah, I forgot about
that was a 12-hour trip. You ready, Vincent?
I'm fucking ready.
All right, Alex, we're all loaded up. We got all the wheels in the back because we're not getting wheels with the car.
Fuck no, I don't want to fix it.
Are you ready for our long-ass journey?
Yep.
What do you think? If the car is perfect, will you be driving in November?
Oh yeah. I just gotta do a few stuff.
What's the few stuff?
Motor mounts.
Hurry up, we're sweating. You gotta turn the AC back
on. The harmonic balancer, I gotta replace that.
All right, we're dripping sweat. Okay, I'm cutting the clip. Thank you.
Woo.
We'll see you guys when we're in Sacramento.
AC's on chips if you want to roll the windows up.
Yeah, we gotta change that belt.
We'll do it midway when we stop.
And lower the fucking car. Find fenders.
What do you think? You like it?
Yeah?
It's comfy. It is pretty comfy.
I just like it has a whistle shit in the back.
Oh yeah, that's the best part. Whoa.
How was it?
It was good.
It was good?
It was better than Matt's car.
All right, Raymond, they're talking over there. What'd you think? Give your honest opinion.
It doesn't feel bad. It just feels like a solid car.
You think it's worth it or no?
If you could get it for like 4 or 5, maybe it's worth it.
What'd you think? Be honest.
Just a bucket. I wouldn't buy it. No, I'm just kidding. But the only thing that's concerning me is like the strut tower, so it's like cut.
Oh yeah, they notched the strut towers.
Yeah, and then the fucking underneath the frame rails are like shot, fucking welded pins.
You think it matches Alex?
Yeah, it definitely does.
All right, let's see what Alex does, and we'll get back to you guys.
That shit was beat as fuck.
So you don't want it?
Fuck no.
What would you guys think?
I'm so glad I didn't get that shit.
What do you think?
I mean, if it was for like 4, maybe. But for 6, that should be. Yeah, I think so.
I'm good off of that.
That's insane. That was a fucking 2-hour drive. Now you got 2 hours back.
I had a fucking sweat me and shit.
All right, time to go back.
Alright, update. The GS was clapped. So after going back on our way to Hayward, we found, what is it? A 350Z.
06.
06. Or was it a Reva?
Yeah, Reva them.
Reva for a good deal. And we lowballed it. So we're going to SF now.
It would have been a cool beater car. Like to just throw a cheap ass kit on it, slam it, drift it. But not for
6.
Not for 6. So now we are gonna go to the other end of where we live.
SF.
We're going to SF. We're gonna go look at a 350. It was just posted. It was posted for 6. Vincent did his Filipino magic, and now we're gonna go look at it for $4,800. But yeah, the guy just posted it. He seems pretty cool. He seems honest. So we're just gonna go check it out. And Alex did kind of want a 350. This one is a good deal. If it works out, he'll get it. If not, if he doesn't love the car, I'm not gonna let him get it. He needs
No pressure.
No pressure.
No pressure.
All pressure.
Alex, let's see how this goes.
Alex, he looks like you.
You ready? You're already smiling. Let's see how this goes.
Way back.
Alex might be VQ again.
Why is he all excited and shit? Alright, Alex. Test driving 350Z.
Feels like it's lack of power. Holy shit.
Really?
Yeah. Nah, this is no. Dude, my G35 was faster than this. Yeah, I'm not gonna get it.
Attempt 2 failed. And we're back. We're gonna tell him the bad news that we're not getting the car. See you later.
So what happened, Alex?
Oh, sorry. We drove the car, and it didn't have power at all. It literally, I went full throttle.
It was just falling on its face.
Yeah, pretty much.
So you didn't want to deal with it.
Nah, fuck that.
And that shit was throwing hella fucking lights on the.
Yeah, I was like, bro, I'm pretty sure that shit was an accident because I had my seatbelt on. Rick had a seatbelt on, but it said it didn't have a seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Like,
And his e-brake was fucking total.
Yeah, e-brake didn't work.
That fool, wait.
Literally, I pulled it up and we were still driving.
Still rolling back.
Yeah, it might have been just because the battery terminal was loose. We don't know, but fuck it.
Nah, my battery.
Next car.
My battery terminal is fucking.
We'll see you guys when we go look at another car, and hopefully that car works out because we're already 2 for 0 or
0 for 2.
0 for 2.
0 for 2.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
All right, so we know we showed 2 cars that we looked at for Alex. He actually ended up looking at a third one that we didn't record because honestly it was an ex-sideshow car and we didn't really like it. But Alex got frustrated. He went with Ulysses to go look at a car, and what do you got here?
This is my 2004 Nissan 350Z. Well, pretty much I'm gonna go look at this car in Yuba City. It was grandpa owned pretty much. All he did was pretty much stage 2 clutch on it. I actually just found out that this wing that it has on it's a Megan Racing wing. It's actually $600 bucks.
That's crazy. Well, yeah. Do you want to say what kind of like deal you got on this? Because it's pretty insane, or you just want to like?
I'm good.
We'll just say this: he got a really, really good deal on this car, and I think out of all the cars we looked at, this is the best one he could have got.
Yeah.
Plus, it just like, it's literally perfect for you.
Yeah. Pretty much, this car, I put my coilovers on it and my wheels.
Oh yeah, if you guys noticed, these wheels are very familiar. Those are his grenades from his G35. If you looked at like a really old video we had where we put an angle kit on his G35. Actually, do you want to say what happened to your old car?
Well, pretty much I blew it up like 3 years ago now.
Yeah, it was wild.
I put a new motor in and everything.
We
wouldn't turn on.
attempted to put a new motor in.
It wouldn't turn on, but after fixing the car, I noticed it had a bunch of stress cracks on one of the sides at the wheel well, and
at that point you were just like, it's not worth it. Sorry about the background noise. We're actually at the Pandora barbecue right now, and yeah, they're going kind of crazy right now. I'm gonna try to bully Alex to do a burnout, but he probably won't do it.
I'm not gonna do it. But yeah, pretty much my driver's side wheel well is splitting in half.
So yeah, we got a new chassis.
Yeah, new chassis.
You want to go through it real quick?
It's simple,
so
pretty much.
He did already put his coilovers from his G35 on it, and then also, if you guys watched a really old video we had where we put a GK Tech angle kit on a G35.
That's going on to this.
Yeah, that's going on this. We haven't put it on yet, but it is going on this.
I haven't put my rear arms yet.
Rear arms. But yeah.
Pretty much.
Everyone's doing burnouts right now, so it's kind of hectic and it's loud. Why do you have it locked? How do you unlock it?
Hold on.
You have an alarm?
Yeah.
Oh. All right. Pan in.
Right now it's dirty since I was working on it last night.
Yeah.
I finished working on it at 2 in the morning.
As you guys can see, it's really clean. It has, obviously it's a manual, and then he already put his Zeta 3 in it from his S13 that he put in his G35. And now this seat has been in more cars than like any other seat.
Yeah, this actually used to be owned by Jeff from Uprise.
Yeah.
So this been in his S13, in his FRS, pretty much.
Everything.
The car's pretty simple setup.
So what are your goals for it?
So for now, I'm just gonna run I'm gonna order the Origin Urban Line kit for this, just to have a full kit. But eventually, I want to do Dula. The Dula kit's around $40,000, but screw it.
Yeah, I think it'll be crazy, and I'm looking forward to driving with you. Now that you finally have a car, and we're all finally driving. It's up. My car's in pieces, but we're not gonna talk about that. But yeah. Now we can finally drive together after 3 years. But yeah,
It's been long.
thank you guys for watching. This is Alex's new car, and now we're just gonna show you some of the things going on from the Pandora barbecue meet.
Yeah.
If you guys are in Oakland and need some like custom car work done, if it's like custom exhaust, intercooler pipes, or just like basic bolt-ons, hit up Aaron.
Yeah,
We love him.
He's worked on a few of our cars already. So yeah.
We love you, Aaron. Thank you. But yeah, thank you guys for watching.
Bye.
DJ, everybody, DJ Armstrong.